One of the most repetitive and time-consuming processes in the game development is the animation. There are some instances where it will be great to have a tool that can invert, revert, and migrate the animation that you just did, from one track to another, from one body part to another, with just a few clicks. And that is what this plugin is about. But let me show you what I mean with invert, revert, and migrate. To invert or revert a single animation track, first, open an animation file. Set the properties. Choose the operation action type, invert or revert. Choose the from node track. Choose the to node track. Choose the start key. Choose the end key. Apply the single operation changes. Save the animation file. To see the changes you just did, click on the animation button and open the animation manager. Click on the folder icon. Navigate into the folder that has the saved animation file and open it. Click on accept. On the animation player, choose the new animation. Play it. That's it. If you pretend to move one property animation from one body part to another body part for the same property, you have to create the first case for that animation in that new body part. This is pretty important because it will work as the default property value for that body part. And in this case, the position is necessary to allow the plugin to work correctly. So we have add that first case in here, in both body parts, in both cases. To invert and or revert multiple animation tracks, first, open an animation file. Set the properties. Choose the operation action type, invert or revert. Choose the from node track. Choose the to node track. Add the operation into the bulk operation list. Repeat the step 2 to 6 with each single operation that you want to add into the bulk operation list. Apply the bulk operation changes. Save the animation file. To invert and or revert all animation tracks, open the animation file. Set the properties. Choose the operation action type, invert or revert. For each node track at the left side, you have to choose the track on the right side that will store the changes. Apply the operation to all tracks. Save the animation file. That's it. You can now enhance your animation speed time as you can see in the video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. I wish you a happy animation time.